Here I've got Redmi Note 8 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So we've got two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. At first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, now you've got both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your Xiaomi right in front of you. Click on OK to go back, and let's go to the second method. So we will open those numbers through the settings. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then go to the My Device icon, and then open All Specs. And here, under Status, you will be able to come along with both IMEI numbers over here, and once you click on Model and Hardware, you can check what your serial number is. So that's basically all. That's how you can locate and find IMEI and serial number for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.